Hi guys! Welcome to Tiger Garage. This is another project here done. So this is a 2024 Mazda CX-60. Kahit 2023 pa lang ngayon, pero may 2024 cars na tayo ngayon. So, strange world, right? As you can see, tapos na actually yung pagkakabit natin. The original color was a metallic gray. So, parang makintab siya na gray. So, ang ginawa natin ngayon, in-install natin ang PPF. Pero not just any PPF, in-install natin ang Tiger Film PPF with a matte finish. Kaya after install ng PPF, makikita nyo actually parang nag-iba yung kulay. It's still the original color. From very glossy finish, naging matte finish na siya ngayon. So, ang tsura ng paint ngayon, mukha siyang very, very metallic. Actually, na-surprise kami lahat ang kinakalabasan ng ating PPF. Kasi parang na siya naka-wrap or parang siya naka-repainted. Let us show you the process ng pagka-PPF natin. Let's go! If you guys are interested in this service or any other of our service, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!
On the